everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about the database project. So I received a few emails from your classmates saying that you're a little bit confused about what you need to do for the database project. So we talked about this before spring break, but I know it has been a super long time since spring break. So let me go over what you need to do for the database project again here. So if you go to the assignments, and click the database project, you can download the instruction here. So here I'm showing the instruction. So in this instruction, it tells you the business rules. It also tells you what you need to create. So basically, there are three part of things that you need to create. The first part is the conceptual schema. In this one, you are going to create a class diagram using Software Ideas Modeler for this project. Second one, physical schema. So this is, you will be creating the classes and building their relationships in Access, Microsoft Access. And this is actually the YouTube video part 1. And then the third part is external schema, which is where you can create the queries and reports to answer all the business questions. So this is the YouTube video part 2 and part 3. So for the conceptual schema, some of you might have forgotten about that. We actually did it in the class all together. So we looked at the correct solution for the class diagram. You can actually find the correct solution on Canvas. If you go back to your home page on Canvas and go to week 7-2, the week right before spring break, and click MIS 201 week 7-2 full version, and go to page 26. And this one, the last one, this is actually the full version of the correct solution to your database project. All you need to do is that you will use Software Ideas Modeler to create this class diagram. And how to use Software Ideas Modeler to create a class diagram, we already covered that before spring break. And that's what the first video, the recap video is about under week 10-1. So this one, class video database project part 0, recap creating class diagram in Software Ideas Modeler. So in here I'm using a different example to show you how to use Software Ideas Modeler, but what you will need to do is to create the solution in 7-2 full version, so this one. This one in class using Software Ideas Modeler. And what you would need to do is that you will include the class diagram as a attachment here. So once you're done with step 1, 2, 3, all you need to do is to create a project report. So what you would need to include the project report are all listed in details here. So for example, for the conceptual schema, what you will need to do is just to get the screenshot of the class diagram in your Software Ideas Modeler and add a screenshot in your report here. Or if you look at the part 1, one-page cover letter, all you need to do is to answer each of these questions. So once you're done, there are 2 deliverables. One is your Access database that you have created following the YouTube video. The second one is this database report that you where you answer each of the questions here. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know, and we can either Zoom or use Slack to figure out where your confusion is. Bye.